Let me show you how to make a meatball sub from scratch. Add yeast and sugar to warm water and let it bloom. Then measure out some Pembe Home Baking Flour and add to a separate bowl. In here, add salt and stir. Add the yeast mixture and mix and then knead into a soft dough. Add some softened butter and then knead again. Once it has all come together, roll and cut into 6 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball shape and then cover and let it rise until it has doubled in size. Flatten each dough ball and roll into a bigger circle and then roll it into a long, almost baguette-like shape. Let it rise again until it has doubled and then make a small slit in each one and brush with egg wash. Bake and then let it cool completely. For the meatballs, mix together mincemeat, onions, garlic, parsley, an egg, breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper. Take some of the mixture in between your palms and roll it into a bowl. Now shallow fry these meatballs until browned and then pour in blended tomatoes. Cook for about 10 minutes and then slice the subs in the middle and fill with meatballs and tomato sauce. Add a nice amount of cheese and then broil in the oven for just a couple of minutes. Garnish with parsley and enjoy!